All right, let's get into it. Today, we are breaking down a framework with a title that, yeah, it's definitely designed to make you look twice. Whoop that trick. Now, this whole idea is inspired by that relentless underdog spirit from the movie Hustle and Flow, and it's basically your new playbook for tackling your brand's biggest challenges.
Whoop that trick, get him, 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 whoop that trick, go!
Okay, I know what you're thinking when you see this, and that's exactly why we're starting here. So before we dive any deeper, let's just get one thing crystal clear about what this phrase really means when we're talking about brand strategy. Exactly. This has nothing to do with aggression, it's all about assertion. In the source material, this phrase gets a total makeover. It becomes a rallying cry. It's all about facing every single obstacle that gets in your brand's way and facing it head on with absolutely no backing down. It's about looking at the daily grind and saying, bring it on.
So to really get why you need this kind of mindset, you have to understand the battlefield. And let's be real, today, that battlefield is the digital streets. Think about it. Social media is just this chaotic, nonstop fire hose of content. Every brand is screaming for attention. And that old scattershot approach of trying to be everything to everyone, it just doesn't fly. Honestly, it's the fastest way to get completely ignored and your message ends up connecting with, well, no one. So, in this world just overflowing with digital noise, how do you actually fight back against being invisible? It's not about shouting louder. It's about a fundamental shift in your entire approach. And it all starts with having the right mindset. And this is where the phrase completely transforms into a powerful mission. See, this isn't just about being tough for the sake of it. It's about being smart. It's a commitment to taking on every single challenge with a strategic mix of pure determination and, yeah, a little bit of style. And that mindset, it gets put into action with a super clear framework. This is the engine that turns all that grit and heart into real, tangible results. It's designed to make your brand an absolute powerhouse online.
And here it is, TRICK. Each letter here represents a critical pillar for a social media strategy that doesn't just compete, it dominates. So let's break down exactly what each of these means for you.
First up, T is for targeted. This is all about knowing exactly who you're talking to. And I mean with laser-like precision. We're going way beyond basic demographics. We're talking about understanding their behaviors, their motivations, what keeps them up at night. It's about meeting them right where they are and speaking their language.
And here's why that precision is so important. When you know exactly who you're talking to, you stop being just another voice yelling into the void. You become a leader in their conversation. And that is how you turn a casual follower into a true fan. Next up, R is for relevant. In a world of infinite scroll, relevance is everything. Your content absolutely has to matter to your audience. It needs to connect with their passions, be timely, feel personal, and maybe most importantly, actually solve a problem for them. Because when your content is truly relevant, you transform your brand from just another account they follow into a resource they can't live without. That's the real key to building an active, engaged, and loyal community.
The I stands for innovative, and in this crowded digital world, creativity is your golden ticket to standing out. This is all about breaking the mold, right? Experimenting with new formats, pulling your audience into the creative process, and just finding fresh, exciting ways to tell your story.
And at the end of the day, innovation is what makes sure your brand doesn't just keep up with what everyone else is doing, but actually leads the pack. It's the engine that fuels your growth and keeps your audience guessing, in a good way, about what's coming next. Then we have C for consistent. This is the bedrock of your brand, the foundation that everything else is built on. It's about creating a single, unified identity everywhere you show up, from your voice and tone to your visuals. When people know what to expect from you, they start to trust you. And you just can't overstate how important that consistency is. It makes your brand a reliable, familiar presence in your audience's daily lives. It's what turns a one-time click into a long-term relationship built on real trust and loyalty. And that brings us to the final letter, K, which stands for killer. Because look, at the end of the day, it doesn't matter how brilliant your strategy is, it all comes down to the quality of the stuff you actually create. Killer content is all about choosing quality over quantity, every single time. It is so much better to post one truly exceptional piece of content that provides real value, that teaches, entertains, or inspires, than to just flood people's feeds with mediocre posts to stay visible. It's about impact over noise. Always.
So what does that actually look like in practice? Well, think of it like a 4-step recipe. First, you need high-quality visuals to make people stop scrolling. Then, you need amazing copy to pull them in. The heart of the post has to provide real value, something educational or inspiring. And finally, your job isn't done when you hit publish. That post-publish engagement is what turns a monologue into a real conversation.
Okay, so let's tie this all together. The TRICK framework is incredibly powerful, but it's all fueled by one crucial thing: having an unapologetic focus on what truly matters for your brand.
In the digital world, everybody has an opinion. To really succeed, you have to get good at filtering out the noise. Don't waste your energy on critics who just don't get your vision. Stay true to your core values, zero in on the feedback that actually helps you grow, and let your results do the talking.
And this quote from Steve Jobs it nails it, doesn't it? At the end of the day, your own vision, your own inner voice, has to be the loudest one in the room. You have to trust it, focus on it, and that's how you'll build something that doesn't just stand out, but actually lasts.
So let's take this whole framework from just an idea to actual practice. I want you to think about this. Whether it's getting laser-focused on your targeting, innovating your content, or just blocking out the noise, what's the one trick you're going to go out and whoop this week?
Hey, to the flow. So if you want some, this is your